Hello, welcome to a love story series.
Where we encourage couples to go to work on their relationship as they prepare to plan their weddings, but more importantly, plan their marriage.
My name is Thomas Claiborne. This is my beautiful wife, Candace, and we wrote a book together called Blog to Marriage. Blog to Marriage stands for Breakthrough, Listen, and Obey God.
And this book is a great tool for those of you who may be single, dating, and especially those of you who are engaged, who want to learn a little bit more about how to really prepare for marriage and how to learn, some of the great tips and techniques for relationships in general.
So we will continue to do inserts from the book from chapter to chapter, so please stay tuned.
Yep, we're going to be doing videos, so, we'll talk about topics such as boundaries. Are your boundaries too extreme? What do you do when you have sexual frustration? How to take care of your baggage from previous relationships, and so much more. So keep watching and feel free to check out our website, alovestoryseries.com, for more information. We hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.